morning continues as we begin the later half of the morning, as we're halfway through the next official week of February. February 18th, 2026. CN Hayes here. 9:18 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, again along the Canadian National's Superior Sub-Main at milepost 353.17 with another video lined up for you. Northbound sand load, or unless it's a power move return, on the approach to Control Point West Ladysmith on the Canadian National Spirit Sub-Main, as she's almost nearby 129.42 now. We have a GEVO to lead it on that, as the Northway is set to reverse after the roll-by of the U756. Check them out on the roll-by now as we lean back and get them. Here we go. Tier 4 to lead it. Yeah, looks like a surviving Dash 9 until behind it too. 3294's back. CN 2727, which was previously an IC-9. Finally get to see the CN 2727 finally. New last in class Dash 9 for the Illinois Central is the IC 2726. CN 2727 for the Canadian National, and once again that was previously the Illinois Central version and was previously the last in class Dash 9 before that. This is going to be today's S773 81 of the 18th. Meeting today's L51981 of the 18th that's on standby at Ladysmith Yard. This 102/0 consist started at Source Energy Services of Poskin, more than likely. And we'll head up to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. squeaking and groaning on the North Y as it continues climbing uphill. Flanges are squealing as well. As soon as the rear DPU clears the North Y, they'll accelerate away. And I see the rear DPU now, exhaust. It's another Dash 9 that decides to be one of the survivors to help out. This time, the 2693. Signals go up for the North Y again for the 519 to gain entry to the Barron submain. Love that. So that's going to do it for today's S773 81 of the 18th, and we'll do it for the Tier 4 of the 3294 and surviving Dash 9s of the CN 2727 and the 2693. They go to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. That is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.